Nice try, Micah.
Whoa. It's a good thing Danny and I are going to teach you proper lab safety. We're going to have to start from the beginning.
Where is Danny anyway? I'm sorry, I was just so excited.
Too bad.
Well, it doesn't matter where he is right now. We're going to give you step-by-step instructions on to ensure your lab safety. Let's get started.
Before you can even step into the lab, you have to be prepared. This includes wearing pants, closed-toed shoes, hair out of your face, and clothes that are not too loose in general.
Exactly, which is why this has got to go.
Much better.
But there are a few more precautions we need to go through. Need a lab coat. And goggles. Now can we do some chemistry? No, Eager Beaver. We still got some more precautions to do.
No running.
Mary, did you want a Bunsen burner?
No yelling.
I don't like these goggles.
No throwing. Watch where you walk. Be careful you don't bump into equipment or other people. Never go into the lab alone or unsupervised.
Etiquette down. We can now start doing chemistry?
No! What Mary was trying to say is that we can go into more detailed scenarios.
Right, so let's start with chemical safety. So Micah, we've got an array of chemicals here. What do you notice about all of them?
They've all got writing on the sides.
Exactly. So the point of this writing is to label them so we know more about what's inside.
The labels on the chemicals are very important to help in identification, quantity, and shelf life. They can also give you first aid, safety, hazard precautions, and disposal tips.
So this one is silver nitrate. It's 0.1 molarity, and it has been in here since March 25th of 2011.
Very good. What about this one?
Oh, this one is 50 milliliters of nitric acid. Ooh, but it's 10 years old. That's no good.
Whoa,
Whoa!
What are you doing?
Hold on a second.
That is not how you properly dispose of that.
Oh, it says here, in small doses, nitric acid can be disposed of down the sink. Oh. Okay.
Besides labeling the bottle, chemicals often have material safety data sheets that provide further information on the chemical. These may include the chemical's other names, appearance, and potential health risks.
Now, let's say you're in a lab setting like this with open chemicals spread out all over the place. How would you handle that?
Carefully. Very carefully.
Start, Danny?
The major thing is to ensure your safety as well as the safety of others around you. Now think about this. If you're in your kitchen using Sharpie markers, how is the environment around you?
Well, I have to keep the windows open because the smell gives me a headache.
Exactly.
Which is why in a chemistry lab, you want to make sure you're not enclosed so that none of the fumes are directly at you.
Here's another scenario. What if your lab sheets tell you that you have to note the smell of a certain chemical? How do you do that?
Oh, I remember this from class. You have to waft it. You can't smell it.
That's like that.
A little extra utility chemistry labs should have is a fume hood. Fume hoods allow for ventilation of the lab when hazardous chemicals are used, along with when chemicals need to be left out overnight. Also, in case of emergencies, chemistry labs typically have chemical showers and also eye wash stations in case you are exposed to any chemicals that can burn you or injure you in other ways. Okay, now we only have one last thing. When you're done with your lab, what do you do?
Let's see. I put away all my equipment and make sure my station is cleared. I properly dispose of any chemicals. I put away my lab coat and goggles. And I wash my hands and carefully walk out.
Excellent. Now, do you think you're ready?
Alright, then let's try this again.
Nicely done.
Do you want to just take the garbage? I'm
so proud of you.
Out of the sink.
Nice job, kid.
Josh, what's your problem?